What's up, y'all? Yeah, I was just working on this Volkswagen and did an alternator. Well, turns out it needs a battery also because they've been sitting there for so long. I showed you how to get to the battery, and it's under the 05 Volkswagen Touareg. It's under the hey, so I'm gonna show you how big this battery is. I'm a big dude now. I ain't no little dude, but I ain't no big dude. But that's a big battery though. You don't need two hands for that. That's positive, negative. So when you're taking it out, you have to kind of push the front end that way to get it past this. So you just push it, lift up, and then pull it out like that. Cool. 05 Volkswagen Touareg. It's a battery replacement. And then when you put it back on, just put your cover back on, and then pop the clips on the front and back. You're good to go. Don't be like me and put the battery in backwards. So, negative right here. Positive right here. That's what the plus sign's for, right? Well, you got a plus sign right there in case you get confused. So the positive side goes towards the back. But you know, you can only put it in one way, because if you put it in backwards like I did the first time, then the cables will not reach it. So it's kind of dummy proof.